it's CJ and Corey.
That's right, guys, and I'm totally just her assistant today.
I have a soap kit.
Right, we have these kits from Kids Naturals, and she is making the glycerin soap kit.
Open it up and see what's in the kit.
Yes, let's see what's inside. Okay.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Ooh, what is that? Got this. Soap colors.
Ooh, is that what that is?
And it got motors.
Yeah, a mold. Stick it.
And it got a mix. What's these?
That is the glycerin soap.
Yep, a glycerin soap. Oh, scents.
Yeah, right. Natural fragrances.
And a jar.
A measuring cup.
This feels just like ice.
It feels like ice? It smells good already. Okay, so then it says we're gonna mix a color. So put a couple of those colors in there.
That way you gotta do it with your parents, guys.
That's right.
I'm back for a reveal, guys.
The reveal, yes.
Yeah, and I've been waiting for the guys. Guys, I've been waiting for this so much. Oh my God!
That is so cute. All right, we're gonna make more, guys. They are so cute.